Now, welcome back to Daytime Live. We are known for having our ears to the street of which artist is buzzworthy and feature these artists. Today, we want to welcome Minori to Daytime Live. Minori!
Blessings. Thank you guys so much for having me.
Hey, Minori, what's up?
Hi, thank you for being here. So, Minori, where are you from?
I'm from Kingston originally, from the community of Waterhouse. Big up all of Waterhouse, Jamaican to be exact, Mullines Road, Seaward Drive, all of them parts.
Okay.
Well, Minori, a long time though, Minori.
Yes.
Me and Minori a big friend.
Big friends.
Minori, you know, say like me a friend. You know, say off air, Sunny throw water for me.
Come again?
She didn't hear.
Sunny just threw water on me.
Oh, jeez, I didn't hear that. Repeat it. Repeat it.
Very good. You see how the universe love me right now? So, Minori, are you hearing me right now? Yes, beautiful. So, with that, describe your sound, Minori. What's your flavor? What's your sound?
I'd say I'm a fusion of dancehall, reggae, hip hop, and R&B, and a little jazz too. Because I think music is like influential, and these are genres that I grew up with. So everything is just one big old pot of niceness.
Now, based off your music, it's clear that you're a big fan of hip hop. Who's your favorite rapper?
My favorite rapper, right now, Kota. There's this artist called Kota. Kota does amazing work. He's who I'm listening to mostly right now.
Okay.
For sure.
All right, so you did a video, and we're going to take a look at your video for Red Pill. All right, so let's take a look at that video now. Look how she light up. Look how she look happy. Let's take a look at the video.
Minori, I see a whole of vibes still. I see you enjoy, like you're enjoying the video, and it's yours. Where did you shoot the video? Where did you shoot the video, especially the first part?
Part of it was shot in my community. That's community of Jamaican. A lot of family members were in that video, as well as some good friends who lent their energy to that day. We did a party came on as well because I absolutely adore him. And then it's all a party, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Minori, I love your vibe. I get this bad girl, kind of cool girl feel all at the same time. Really love the song, really loving it. But the red pill, blue pill thing, give me some background. Is it in any way related to Matrix?
Fully. 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 All right, so I do have a good catalog of music that I feel like has something in there for everybody, but predominantly my music I consider to be truth music. And in Matrix, when Neo was presented with the option of taking either the red or the blue pill, for me my music is the red pill because it is truth music. It is biting into the truth, absorbing the truth, or allowing yourself, putting people in a place where they can actually question things or they never did that thing. But you know what I mean? Music is powerful, and that is what I want to use mine to do. Always bring truth. Red pill.
Yeah, but even though it's truth music, in the video you can see that you're enjoying yourself, like it's enjoying to watch you.
Thank you so much. It was a joy, and like Duffy, to tell you how the whole process of this, how organic it was and how everything was just aligned. It was just such a blessing. And that is what I think you're seeing being translated in the whole visuals of it. It was such a real, a genuine energy with everybody that was there, from the writing of the song to the production of the song to shoot days and everything. It was just a full blessing. Full.
All right, Minori, you're definitely somebody that we need to follow. So how do we follow you? How do we keep track of what you're up to, what you're doing?
Okay, so on all social media platforms, I am Minori Music. That's Minori Music with a Z. On all social media platforms, you can find me there. I update all my social media platforms on what I'm doing and what I'm gonna be doing next. So just follow me, Minori Music, every single word. Google me and you'll find me, and you'll know what I'm doing next.
Awesome.
Minori, thanks for stopping by. You know, so we will link up because me a friend like that.
Yeah, sure.
You understand? Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Now listen, support the single by streaming it on the platform of your choice.
Yeah, this is
Minori,
going
have
on
a
my
good one.
playlist. All streaming platforms.
All right. Have a good one. Stay safe.
Blessings. Thank you guys so much for having me. Respect.
All right, good guys. Remember to check out on your loved ones and support as a community. Your family is not just your blood, but everybody around you, you know?
Your world that you interact with, that's your community. Yeah, so thank you for tuning in, and we'll be back on Friday with much more buzz,
chat,
vibe,
and a whole heap of mix.
You see, wait, do you see? I want you to show Dufton. Yes, wait, no. Look at him with the glass in his hand, okay? So I'm aiming as well. So stay safe and remember to wash your hands, wear your mask, and keep your distance. And please, where you must do, Dufton?
Stay at your yard, not a yard. Stay at your yard.
Your yard.
All right, Sonic, wake me up. Half here, people, as on no side up. Yeah, oh no.